Okay, I'd like to introduce to you our Parish Catechist of Manaoag. Of course, every Saturday at 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, they have uh, we call encounter or what we call formation, ongoing formation. And of course, I'd like to introduce to you. Some of them are absent, and of course, they may introduce themselves. And here is our head catechist for this month of March, April, May. They are given 3 months as to be the head catechist. So every catechist here in Manaoag Parish will be a head catechist for sure, because they have 3 months to be head catechist. And of course, this is our catechist.
Rosario. I'm Rosario Ordonio. I'm 27 years old and single.
Okay. And of course, another one.
Hi, I'm Roseanne.
I'm the secretary of OIC coordinator.
And of course,
Si Florence na nagsimula sa Volcat hanggang ngayon I'm like 21 years in this ministry.
in Manaoag.
In
Yeah.
Manaoag.
I have been with her in 1993 to 1997, where I was assigned as assistant parish priest and treasurer of Father James. So they were with me in the barangay school masses every day.
And I am Anita Cristobal since year 2000, and I'm married with 4 children.
Okay.
Hello, good morning. I'm Joan Alberio. And bukod sa pagiging catechist, ako rin po yung nagtitrain sa mga children's choir. Assistant po ako ng mother ko.
Okay.
Ako po si Hilda Cordobin. Meron po 11 years ko na po yung kapilikat.
Okay, and of course.
Hi, I'm Iris Diaz. 7 years na po akong catechist. And still, nandito pa rin.
Ano, regret? Regret ba? Or are you happy as a catechist?
Happy.
Are you happy as a catechist?
Regrets.
No regret. Okay. And of course,
Hi, I'm married. Just call me Faye for short. Serving the Lord for almost 21 years.
21 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
Happy still.
Happy still. Okay, that's good to hear.
Hello,
Okay.
I am Lourdes Bugawan. 22 years na rin na catechist. Nag-start din po kami ng Volcats. At ngayon naman, regular catechist na po kami sa pamumuno ni Father Boots, ang aming parish priest.
Okay. The thorn among the roses, the rose among the thorns. Whatever.
I'm Alonso Dayaw, single. Ako yung pinaka maganda sa lahat. Kasi nag-iisang lalaki.
Okay, so thank you very much. So see you in the YouTube.